Hello everyone, my name is Tarun Tomar and this is our software engineering project along with Neeraj Singh on IIT Jodhpur Inventory Management System. So let's start. This is the repository. Our code has been uploaded on GitHub and this is an open source project that we've been working on before the course, and we have concluded the project during this tri-sem. So let's read the readme. So here I have written the instruction for the setup. The instructions are pretty clear. You just have to fork and clone the repository and download the source code and open it in the console. So let's do that. I have downloaded the source code here, and now what I'm gonna do is basically open up a console, and here to run the backend part of our software we have to write docker compose up build, which is the command to run the backend. Our backend is written in Go, and we have used docker to for smooth development and deployment process. And now by doing this command it will build all the dependencies for the Go alongside with the database that we have used, which is Postgres, and everything will be started in a while. Okay, so this says that our app is working on a port 8080, and these are all the routes that are open right now, and this is the backend part of the project. Now I'm gonna go ahead into the front end section and open the front end part. So first you're supposed to do npm install, but since I have already installed all the libraries, it won't take a lot of time, and this would be done pretty quickly. So by doing npm install, we install all the libraries that are supposed to be used by our project, and once they are done, now we can go ahead and write npm start, and this will run our front end part, which is connected to the backend that is running through the other console. So I'll cancel this because I've already installed everything. Now I'm gonna say npm start, and now here this is going to start our React Native frontend script, and this we can access from our browser on port 3000. Once it will start, I can go ahead and hit reload, and this will start the development server. It is starting the development server on localhost 3000. So every time it opens up a new tab, it doesn't matter. Let's see if our server has started. It's gonna take a while. In the meantime, as you can see, we have written down all the steps instruction in the readme. Also you can find the documents related to this project, like software requirement specification document, essence document, architecture and design, and the testing scripts all at one place in the readme. Okay, so now since the project has been started, here you can see this is the home page of our website. So what we are actually able to see, so basically I want to tell you that all the data inside the site is temporary, and it hasn't been taken from anywhere. These images are totally random, generated from Unsplash API. So now what I can do is basically click on any club and see the items. So when I click on any club, it says that we have to log in first to see the results. So let's do that pretty quickly. There's the login button. I'm gonna go and log in with my account, IIT Jodhpur account, and now this is my profile. I can see I'm logged in as a student, and this is my name and roll number. These are the active requests, which is empty right now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and create a request. So for example, I want an item from Dance Society. Either I can go here and click on the Dance Society, and I will see a list of items that are available to and now I can go ahead, watch the quantity, and I can look at the equipment ID, and I can create a request. Now when I create a request, I am supposed to tick these terms and condition documents, which we can read by clicking here. And once we have created a request, I can see on my profile that I have issued this item for a week, and this is everything working very smoothly here. I also have an option to search for item by writing something like dance, and now I can see, if I write here dance, then I can see all the items of the Dance Society. By the way, these images are generated from Unsplash API and are totally random, not my fault. So now this is the same procedure once again. You can go ahead and create a request, and the item will be issued to you. So now if I go to my profile, it says that I have issued one item, and the deadline is there and the issue date is there. So this was whole for the student part, and in this project, as you can see, to issue an item, it is very easy. You just have to search for the item and hit the issue request button, which is just one click. And this was the main objective of our project, to keep a track of everything that is being issued, as you can see on the profile, and it is very easy to issue everything. So for this we have also used, for the backend part, we have used our Golang language. Golang is used basically to create small microservices that we have integrated Basically, we are inspired from Amazon and Flipkart type inventory management systems, where what they do is basically create a small microservices for every single thing. Like to issue an item, there's this different service going on in Golang, and to see the list is there is a different service going on. Now I can show you the console, and you can see all the request API calls that you can create. So there are various kind of API calls that I've created, and all of these are token authenticated. You need to be signed in, and you have to have the Google Auth token for it. So there are things like you can search for item, you can get an item, you can add an item. These are for the society, and you can log in from student, see the profile, request item. You can log in as a society or admin, you can create the society, and all of these things you can do from the website. And all of this has been done at one place, and this has made the management of inventory in our college very easy. So this was a software engineering project, and this is me, Tarun, along with Neeraj Anand, and signing off for today.